What's going on, guys? How's it going today? I've got a quick little update on the Mustang, and here that is now. What's going on, guys? We have bad news today. 2013 Mustang GT. Owned it for about 8 months, and we already got our first problem here. Our differential seal is leaking. I don't know if that is common on these. His car is doing all right, but my car is not. So anyway, I ordered the parts off of LMR. They got here yesterday, and Saturday morning, get that rear end done. Then there's this guy and his Cobb tuner and all these aftermarket parts he bought with it on there. There it is. You can sort of see it. It's leaking out of the bottom. There's actually a little bit on the ground there too. Wow. But as you can tell, this needs to be done soon. As you can tell, it needs to be done soon because it's not got an unlimited supply of oil in there, and a new differential job is like $1,000 and I don't have that.
Yeah, you just get a solid diff. Solid rear diff.
Mad skids, bro.
Slide that bitch.
We have a leaking differential seal or gasket. And the shop I talked to,
real funny, Fonzie.
Make a good picture though. Thumbnail.
Yes.
So I talked to a shop. They said it'd be like 200 to like 300 or something like that for a gasket. And I was like, I'm not paying that. I bought the parts for 70. Ryan and I, or whoever, will do it this weekend, and that'll be our next video. But as far as I see it, I might as well get the thing done because I don't want to be paying like $900 to $1,000, the guy said, if it ruins the gears. And there he goes. So anyway, I'm gonna end up doing it myself because I'm not gonna pay that, but it does kind of suck because it happened just after the warranty ran out, and I'm not gonna go argue with them and, you know, try and work out a deal when I could just do it myself and not risk paying more than $70. So who knows? I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. I know this is kind of a quick one, but do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, comment any questions, let me know what you drive, what you've done to it or want to do to it, and yeah, just the normal. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.